Just thought I'd do a quick video on this new pole I got from China. It's mainly the clamps that are the interesting thing. Now, when you unclamp it, you can unclamp it slightly and it moves slightly, but then if you unclamp it entirely, you can see how it spreads. See how that spreads the clamp. Totally lets it slide down, makes it nice and quick. Clamps are pretty good. You can see here one of my guys has scraped this on a rough tile section of a roof. I don't think potentially they're as sturdy as, or as long lasting as gardens are, but a much quicker to operate clamp. I'm quite happy with it. I'll show a video of the pole in use. I'm using it now as our everyday. This is about a 23 foot pole, and it's replaced my Gardner CLX. Really good durable pole, but it is a lot higher carbon fibre content and very stiff. But you can see and as it comes down, you only have to just change this slightly for it to start to grip. Yeah, very good design.